My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz V-Class. This is a long wheelbase vehicle. It has done just over 43,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 8 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. You can also get a good view of our panoramic roof. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right, we have voice control, automatic headlights, and heated seats on either side. On our screen, using the buttons just below, we can access our key features, which are navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration, vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.